Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get more wood in Viking Rise. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the best way to do this is to send your workers or troops to gather timber camps on the map. So just search your map for any timber camps. So if I click onto that, here's a timber camp here. I've actually cleared all the timber camps closer to my barracks here. So I need to come over here and collect it. So if I click onto that, here it is here. But first I need to clear these monsters out the way. So I need to go ahead and make sure I've got the right troops and the correct troop strength to go ahead and clear these. So I want to click onto that, click attack, and then we can march. Then it might tell you the selected enemy is very powerful, yada yada. So make sure you got more powerful troops to clear that. Another thing what we can do is if we click on the timber itself on the top, we might have this replenish resources. So I actually own two of these, so I can obtain 150,000 lumber when used. So if I go and use that, that's going to replenish that by 150k, and I can do that again if I like, but I'm just going to keep it at, just going to use it once. I could do the same for timber, or for food and stone as well. Now, another thing what we can do is complete quest events and missions. So many daily quests, chapter missions, and tribe events rewards large amounts of wood. So prioritize tasks that involve building or troop training, since they often pay out resources. Take part in seasonal or limited time events. They can reward massive resource bundles.